Love to me is one of the most powerful things that we have in this world. I think love is very significant. It's something we all need. No matter if you're an infant or an adult or at any age, we need love. Love is what keeps this world going, and we all need it.
Not only to love other people, but love yourself. I think that's where it really stems from, is finding that inner happiness, the inner peace where you can actually love and accept yourself. And then loving others doesn't seem so hard anymore. I think it becomes a lot more easier because it's just you're reflecting the love you have for yourself to others.
I think real love comes from time, comes from going through highs and lows in a relationship, whether that's intimate or personal. But I think you find love in all those types of relationships. I don't think it's something that's magical that just comes out of nowhere and you see someone and that's it.
Without love, I feel that this life has no meaning and no purpose. I think the ultimate satisfaction is loving who we are and loving others. And so love is everything.
There are two words actually that always comes in my mind when I hear the word love. For me, it's selfless and unconditional. Love is important because it gives us something to do, something to hope for, and something to believe in, something to invest, and that makes our life worth living.
For me, love means giving. And I think if you love something, then you give. If you don't love something, you don't give. I have 3 kids, and so I'm kind of coming at it from a mom perspective, but if you love someone or something, you do anything for it. Yeah, love is giving to me.
I'd say that love to me means, in my opinion, like true sacrifice. Like constantly sacrificing sometimes the big stuff, that's important, but also the little stuff. So whether that be, your significant other while you do all the small stuff for them, or the big stuff, you do whatever you can for them, or you love your hobby or your job, and even you do overtime for trying to get a project done, or you just pour everything you have into an idea you have. I think that's all about sacrifice.